Good morning students. Here is class 8th for math subject. Today students we will start new topic, comparison of rational number. Comparison means we will compare two or more rational numbers and tell which number is greater and which one is smaller. Also we will arrange them in ascending or descending order. I think this concept is clear to you. Now come to exercise. Question number 1. In each pair, which number is greater? Which number is greater? So first question is minus 3/7, 3/7. These two are rational numbers. First of all, we will see first rational number is negative and second one is positive. So positive number will always be greater than the negative rational number. So here we will write 3/7 is greater. Question number 2, minus 3/4, 0. So this one is negative. 0 will be in the middle of the number line and this will be on the left hand side, and left hand side numbers or negative numbers will always be smaller than 0. So here 0 will be greater than minus 3/4. So here answer is 0 is greater. Here this one is positive, 3/7, 0. So we will write here 3/7 is greater because positive rational number is always greater than 0. So here in part number 4, both the denominators are same and both the numerators are negative. So we will compare the numerator. Here is minus 5, minus 6. So minus 6 will be on the left hand side on the number line. So minus 5/7 is greater. Now question number 5. Here denominators are different and both rational numbers are negative. So we will adopt the method of cross multiplication. 3/-8, then minus 8/12. We will follow the easy method of cross multiplication. So 12 multiplied by 3 minus 8 multiplied by minus 8. So 12 3s are 36, 8 8s are 64 and minus is plus. So 36 is smaller, 64 will be greater. This thing we will take care कि जहाँ पे एरो है, ठीक है, वो नंबर उसके नीचे लिखना है, जो इस साइड पे एरो है उसका नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन राइट हैंड साइड पे. सो 64 विल बी ग्रेटर, 64 रिलेटेड विद minus 8/12. So minus 8/12 is greater. Similarly you will do other parts by yourself. Question number 2. In each pair which number is smaller? Same concept we will apply here. 7/9 minus 5/8. This one is positive, minus 5/8 is negative. So minus 5/8 is smaller number. In part 2, minus 8/9 minus 9/10. Both are negative and denominators are different. Then we will apply the method of cross multiplication. So minus 8/9 minus 9/10 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. minus 8 with 10, 9 with minus 9. 8 10s are 80, negative sign. 9 9s are 81. Now both are negative. Smaller number with negative sign will be greater. So this number is greater, this one is smaller. This one will be greater. So minus 81 related with minus 9/10. So we will write minus 9/10 is smaller. So similarly you can do other parts by yourself. Question number 3 is fill in the box with greater than, less than or equal to. So first part is minus 2 upon 5, then box minus 3 upon 5. Simply we can compare here because denominators are same. We will check the numerator. Minus 2 minus 3 both are negative, so this one will be the greater. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन आएगा? greater. Okay, then 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon minus 6. Here denominators are different. Simply we will apply method of cross multiplication. So 2 upon 3 minus 4 upon minus 6 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 6, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 4. So 6 2s are 12 with a negative sign, 4 3s are 12 with a negative sign. Both are equal. Then we will put here equal sign. Then again these questions are same. You will try by yourself. If any problem is there, you can contact me. Fourth one is arrange in the ascending order. Ascending order means we will have to arrange the numbers. First one will be smaller, then greater, greater, greatest. How we will compare? First one is 4 upon 5, and in the fifth part we will arrange the rational numbers in descending order. Means first of all we will write greater number, then smaller, smaller, smallest. So I will do one part for you. 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 4 upon 7. Clearly these three rational numbers are negative and first one is positive. So this one is the greater number among these number. First of all we will compare these three. So let us take LCM of the denominators of the rational number. We will make the denominators equal, then we will compare the numerator of the given rational numbers, then we will arrange them in the ascending order. So we will take the LCM of 5, 3, 2, 7. All are prime numbers. First of all we will divide by 2, 5 as it is, 3, 1 and 7. Then with 3, 5 as it is, 1, 1, 7. Then divide with 5, then with 7. Now LCM is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 multiplied by 7 gives us 210. Now we will make the denominators of all the rational number to 210. First of all 4 upon 5. First of all 210 divide with 5 means numerator of this rational number. So 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. 42 is the answer. So we will multiply with 42 with the numerator, 42 with denominator. So here 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Then next number is minus 2 upon 3. Now we will divide 210 with 3. So 7 3s are 21, 0 will come here, 70. So 70 we will multiply with the numerator and denominator. So minus 140, 210. Then minus 1 upon 2. So 210 divide with 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 1 is smaller, so 0 will come here, 0, 5. 105. We will multiply 105 with the numerator, 105 with denominator. Minus 105, then 210. Then next number is minus 4 upon 7. When we will divide 210 with 7, 30 answer will come. So 30 minus 120, 210. So if we will observe carefully, all the denominators are 210. Now we will compare numerators. Numerator बच्चे, this one is positive, so we will write this at the last. Now compare from these. So greater number with the negative sign will be the smaller. So we will write minus 140 upon 210 is smaller than. Next one is minus 120 upon 210. Then minus 105 upon 210. Next one is 168 upon 210. So बच्चे its original number is minus 2 upon 3. Next one is minus 4 upon 7. Then minus 1 upon 2. Then in the last 4 upon 5. This one is the answer. Similarly, you can do all the parts by adopting this method. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.